Oh man, that's hilarious. Woo! Dude, this reminds me of the Chesborough a little bit, right? Kinda.
Yep. Oh yeah. Oh man, that would hurt.
Yeah, I would.
You weren't paying attention.
Yeah.
Talking and you turned
Boom.
around. Wow. Oh my God.
That's when you need full face. This is nice. I smell it.
Oil, gas, and water. Oh, look at it. This is a weird one. It's a white oil. Oh yeah.
I smell it.
Look at that. It's bubbling. You don't want to see it? He doesn't want to get compromised.
Yeah, I don't want to get compromised.
Wow, look at that.
White oil.
I want to drink it.
There's no black oil, it's white oil.
It's white?
Yeah.
I think it's because the fat of that oil.
If you drink it, will it make you go? Yeah, man. Oh, yeah.
Holy shit, look at that, it's coming out.
Man.
Imagine drinking that, you're done.
Let me see.
Thank you. Morning. Morning, guys. I like this trail.
I like it too, man. I like this stuff. This would be good for the drive.
Beautiful. Morning. Thank you. Oh wow, there's a little waterfall here. How's it going? Morning. Thank you.
Morning, guys.
Oh man, that's hilarious. Oh. Oh, morning.
Morning.
Wow, it's crazy. Morning. Pedal strike. I had one already. Hell yeah. Off-roading now. Total off-road right here. Oh, morning.
Morning.
Oh, you good? Oh shit, this is good. Wow, so beautiful here. Wow. Am I gonna make it? Let's see. Oh, sorry. Thanks, guys. Sorry about that. Morning. That's it. Oh, fuck me. That was badass. Wow, man. I am really digging this trail, bro.
I think it's easy that way. Oh yeah, you're right. There's a lot of water. The waterfall is good. Yeah, that waterfall is good.
Wow. Very nice. Yeah, you lose the momentum and that's it.
That was all. It's all momentum.
All right, I'm gonna try. Oh boy. Ah. Hey, thank you. Morning. Right on. It's been a good day so far, thank God. Look at this view. This is so awesome.
Jurassic Park.
You know? Morning. .25 miles. Morning.
Not the tower.
Oh wow, we're here already.